In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate cable on your GMC K1500. This will be located on the tailgate. Let's get started. Pick up on the tailgate. We're going to open this little latch right here and pull the cable over the bolt. Be sure your other strap is working. This will hold up the tailgate while we take off the bolt on the side. Using a T40 bit, we're going to remove the bolt for the tailgate cable. And remove the cable. Install the bolt through the new cable and get it started. Snug it down. Lift up on the tailgate. Install the cable around the bolt. Repeat the same process on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.